This video is in response to several customers wanting to know how to change the combination on this lock. This is the ESL10. The ESL10 is a deadbolt style lock that very robust, has a single code operation. In other words, only one code can be used on it. There's a similar lockout called the ESL20 that can have multiple codes on it. It operates a little differently than this one, and we're not going to discuss that one today. There's a lot of programming on the ESL20 that you don't need. The ESL10 was designed for homeowners and businesses that do not need multiple users. So the way this lock operates is by pressing the letter C, which wakes up the lock, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or it's a 6-digit code. You heard the dot, or the click, that was open, and it just locked back up. So, you can press any button you want on this, and nothing will happen until you press the letter C, which wakes it up. Then your 6-digit code, followed by the pound. You heard the click, the light comes on. So to change this combination, we are going to enter the letter C, followed by the current combination, followed by pound. Open the safe. Let the safe open far enough that you can lock it back up. So it's locked in the open position. I can't turn the handle to relock it, the safe. So the way to change this combination is to put it into programming mode. And programming mode in most of these locks works the same way. Press the letter C, followed by the pound, and then we're in programming mode. In this case, we're going to change the combination, which is done by entering the O combination, followed by pound. Now we're going to change it to a new number. We're going to change it to 654321, followed by pound. We do that again, in other words, repeat that step, and the long warble tells us that it has accepted the programming. So, turning on C, enter the new combination, followed by pound, and we hear it click, it's open. So, let's do that again and close the door. There we go. So what happens if I enter the old combination? It gives me 3 beeps, which tells me the combination's wrong. So let's set it back. We're going to set it back. The lock position. And we're going to change the combination back again. So C, followed by pound, put it in programming mode, enter the current combination, followed by pound. Now we're going to enter a new one, which we're going to go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to have to repeat that step. Long warble tells us that it has accepted the programming. So C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pound, and we have an open lock. So, once again, what happens if I enter a different combination? C, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that was the old one. It hates it. So, and again, as on the ESL5, the ESL20, if you enter C and the first 5 digits of your code, but then don't hit the 6th digit and continue to hit any other digit but the 6th digit of your code, you can continue to do this as long as you like until you decide you want to open the lock. Hit 6 followed by pound, and it's open. That's so that if somebody's looking over your shoulder, you can fool them. Or whatever. So programming mode is done by hitting C, pound, and that can use that to change the combination or whatever that works on these. If you wait long enough, it will go into a timeout mode where it will reset back to normal, and we can operate it like normal. What happens if you enter the combination wrong? Well, nothing. It blinks at us 3 times. Let's do it again. Wrong combination. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nothing happens. Let's try it again. One more time. And oh, it doesn't like it now. We did it too many times wrong, and it's in the penalty mode. From here, it will not allow us to operate the lock for a few minutes. Wait for that penalty mode to go away. You see the little red light blinking over here. As long as that's blinking like that and you're hearing a little click in the background, it is in penalty mode. Just wait for it to time out. I believe it's about 5 minutes. When the 5 minutes are up, you can operate it normally. So there you have it. The ESL10 by AMSEC American Securities Products. During the code changing process, I asked you to open the door of the safe and lock it in the open position. There's a good reason for this. The reason is if you make a mistake while changing your combination or doing some of the programming, you can check it in the open position, and if there's a problem, you can call me or any qualified technician and have them correct the issue. However, if the safe is locked up and you do this, then we have an issue. Sometimes, and a lot of times on these AMSEC locks, we can correct the issue without drilling. However, if the mess up is bad enough, or if there's an issue with the lock itself, then we'll have to resort to getting out the drill and damaging the safe. Now, I will preface that with the fact that in most cases, I can repair the safe to like new, and most likely you'll never ever know that from the outside that it was ever opened in that manner. However, the best thing to do would be to always open the safe and lock it in the open position before doing any programming on these locks. That's true for any safe and any electronic lock. So, there you have it, and thanks for watching. Hi, Gene here from Starfleet Lock and Safe. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on the subscribe button at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll always know when new videos are posted to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.